Hello and welcome to the Scan Showroom. And yes, it's that time again as we say goodbye to our mega Black Friday deals. We say hello to our festive season with even more savings, in-store competitions, gift guides, PayPal credits, interest-free options, and all that you need to shop smartly this Christmas. So if you're shopping online this festive period, be sure to keep an eye out for our Christmas deals. Another cool online feature that we have is our wish list, so you can send some hints to a loved one. To use this, you'll need to set up an account on our website, which takes about 2 minutes and requires only your name, email and address to do so. Then all you need to do is simply click a heart icon on any product to add something to your wish list. To share this or view it at any time, just go to the account tab at the top of the website and go to wish list. And don't forget, if you're not sure which make or model is the right one for you, you can always use our comparison tool. And if you're ordering for delivery before Christmas, check the latest information on delivery dates. And if you're planning to come and visit us at the Scan Showroom this December, then we will of course have all the same festive deals for you, but with the addition of some in-store activity, which could see you walking away with some awesome gaming goodies. Running until the 20th of December, we have our Street Fighter 6 Battle Zone, where you can try out different joysticks, giving you the chance to win the game, along with arcade sticks, game controllers and other cool merch. And if you're more of a footy fan, then we've got you covered too. Check out the Iyama Big Pitch area for your chance to win FC25 Ultimate. Both areas will have a QR code for you to scan on arrival to give you full details on how to enter. And on top of all of that, we have our huge range of products here in the showroom from all of our departments. So let's take a look around and give you some great gift ideas as we go. For gamers, we have a whole host of accessories and peripherals from all the top brands, such as mice, keyboards and headsets, which are always a welcome gift for a gamer, so check out our vast selection of these. But here's a few gift ideas picked out from our Scan Pro gaming team. For those who take gaming seriously, Razer's Black Shark V2 Hyperspeed wireless headset is a game changer. Ultra lightweight with crystal clear sound and memory foam earpads is perfect for long esports sessions. For something a little bit different and with a nod to retro game controllers, the 8BitDo Ultimate Wireless controllers with a Pandy charging dock would make a thoughtful gift for your gamer, and they're compatible with Windows, Apple and Android devices. Nostalgic and available in a variety of colours. For the fancy gamer in your life, the Corsair TC500 Luxe gaming chair with its breathable fabric, wider seats and ergonomic design is a must-have for those long hours of play. MMO enthusiasts will love the Razer Tartarus Pro Chroma keypad. Fully customizable with tactile keys and RGB lighting, it's the ultimate gaming companion. And racing fans will love the Thrustmaster T248 racing wheel and pedals, which deliver force feedback and responsive controls, making every lap feel like the real deal. Compatible with PC, PS4 and PS5. For streamers, the Asus ROG Carnix microphone is a great pick with studio quality sound and sleek design. It's great for streaming and recording. Whilst for crystal clear visuals, check out the Elgato Facecam Pro webcam. It's capable of delivering 4K Ultra HD quality, so you'll always look your best. And with the Razer Chroma light strips, you can set the mood of your recordings. These vibrant RGB lights bring a professional touch to any streaming setup. And of course, the Elgato Stream Deck XL is the ultimate control hub. With 32 customizable keys, it makes managing content creation effortless and fun. And another fun gift for gamers and streamers are these deep, cool pixel bits. Check out the video I recently did for them. Then for tabletop gaming fans, the Roland Bridgecast gaming mixer is perfect for immersive storytelling and seamless audio mixing. Whether you're narrating an epic Dungeons & Dragons campaign or hosting a stream, it delivers pro-level sound. Now obviously Scan is famous for its award-winning 3XS PCs, and if you're going all out and looking to buy someone a gaming PC, then the choices are endless. If you're not really sure where to start or which spec is right, then again, if you come down to the showroom, you can chat to our staff or contact our helpful team who can guide you in the right direction. Or if you want to browse online, head to scan.co.uk, and in the top left you'll see PCs and laptops. From here, select gaming PCs and you'll see plenty of options. To inspire you though, here are a few examples from our super powerful high-end gaming PCs through to something more suitable for someone starting out. Now moving on to Pro Audio and Pro Video departments. Do you have a musician in your life? Well, Scan Pro Audio have a huge range of electric, acoustic and bass guitars, with many displayed here in the showroom, as you can see. Every electric guitar that we sell, regardless of price, has a 22-point professional setup before dispatch, and we have guitar bundles from as little as £99. There's also pianos and keyboards, as well as drum kits from all the top brands, including this brand new top-of-the-range Roland VAD 716 electronic drum kit that might be something you have to treat yourself to. But if you're looking for something a little more affordable, then what about headphones and microphones? I highly recommend popping down to the showroom here to get hands-on with some of the Pro Audio kit to help you pick the right products for you. And on to Pro Video, and this is where you'll find the perfect gift for the content creator in your life. On display here we have professional cameras, lenses, workstations and more, but here's a few different ideas that you may not have considered. For the vlogger or on-the-fly creator, this cool mobile Joby kit with a smartphone slider mount and super bum bag will be a very welcome and useful gift. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro combo kit will be the perfect gift for the adventuring videographer. And the DJI Neo Fly More combo is a great way to step up content production levels to a new height. For the editors out there, the Elgato Stream Deck and XLR is a must-have, and maybe not so exciting, but the most useful tech accessory for content creators is storage. And the Scan Pro Video department have a great offer on this 18TB external hard drive from the sea. And of course, we have loads more storage options for you, whether that's for a PC or a games console like a PS5, you just can't have enough space. So the gift of a fast SSD is bound to be a good one. And we have plenty of internal and external SSDs from all the top brands such as Samsung, Seagate and Western Digital, to name just a few. For the creative type, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD range would be the ideal for on-the-go creatives needing to get shots or videos off a camera onto a laptop as quickly as possible. And with capacities from 500GB right through to 4TB, you're bound to find the right fit. For a gamer, an NVMe SSD such as the Crucial T500 or T705 ranges will be perfect, with rapid speeds, plenty of storage options and available with a heatsink, as of course they're also compatible with PlayStation 5 and PS5 Pro. So I hope I've given you a few ideas there, but of course there is a lot to choose from here at Scan, as you can see. So if you can come down to the showroom here at Middlebrook in Bolton and have a look around and chat to the staff, and they'll be able to help you make the perfect purchase. And I've actually saved the best news till last. Scan is currently offering 0% finance from PayPal credit on purchases starting from just £99. This offer is running all the way through to the 31st of January 2025. You can even get up to 48 months interest-free depending on how much you spend. You can see the options on the product page on the right under Finance This Product. Or to calculate for your whole basket, just go to the checkout and press the plus sign for PayPal credit, and you'll see the available terms and payment breakdown. You will need to have an active PayPal credit account, or if you don't, you'll need to apply for one within your PayPal account to be given an available credit limit. Just be sure that you check out all the details on our PayPal credit page at scan.co.uk, as of course terms and conditions apply. So do have a good look at those before you buy. And to end this festive showroom update, here are our Christmas opening hours. Happy shopping guys, and Merry Christmas.